So it was just another day, and I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Mark Rober. Then, this video about squirrels popped up. It was so funny. I couldn't stop watching it. And then I thought, what if we trained a squirrel with AI? Could it figure out how to navigate obstacles too? That's how this whole project started. Alright, so what kind of AI should we use for this? The answer is reinforcement learning. It's basically a method where the AI learns by trial and error, kind of like how we learn new skills. To make this work, you need two key things: an environment or a simulator and an agent, which is the AI character that does all the learning. The first thing I had to do was find the star of the show, a squirrel. I searched everywhere in asset stores, but nothing fit what I had in mind. So in the end, I decided, you know what? I'll just make one myself. Here's the thing. I had zero experience in 3D modeling, but hey, you've got to start somewhere, right? So I pulled up some Blender tutorials on YouTube and started following along step by step. It took some time. But eventually I created my very own squirrel, Cory. Isn't he adorable? With Cory ready to go, the next step was building the environment. I used Unity to create a maze for Cory to navigate, and this is what I came up with. Looks pretty good, right? Well, this was just the first version. I tried training Cory in this maze, but it turned out to be way too hard. He just couldn't make it. Honestly, even I only succeeded about 10 to 20% of the time. This is what I played.
This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's all to me nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion.
So I had to tweak it. I spent hours adjusting the difficulty and figuring out the best way to give Cory the right information and rewards for his actions. After a lot of trial and error, I finally came up with a maze that worked. Let me introduce you to the maze. It's got 6 stages, and while it might look simple, there are plenty of tricky parts. First, there's the wobbly bridge. It shakes, and it's super slippery. Next, we've got the spinning log, a classic obstacle. Then there are the rotating barrels and falling boxes. The barrels are a bit tough, but I made them easier for Cory. The falling boxes, though, no mercy. Cory has to move fast, or he's done for. After that, there's a narrow plank to cross and a series of jump platforms. Leap and go. This last section is the hardest, but if Cory gets through it, he gets to dive into a basket full of walnuts. Training Cory in this maze took 54 hours. At first, he couldn't even get past the first obstacle. But as time went on, he started figuring things out, learning step by step. Finally, he did it. Cory made it to the walnuts. This project wasn't just fun, it was such an amazing learning experience. From creating my first 3D model to training an AI squirrel with reinforcement learning, every part of this journey taught me something new. More than anything, watching this video till the end made this journey even more perfect. Thank you for being here. It means a lot. So, what's next?